Hello guys, welcome back to Introductory Accounting Info. In this video, I want to look at the preparation of the profit and loss account. And we've got our question that we have here, that is our question one. And the question reads are the following. Trial balance appeared in the books of Siyaboga Nkulu on 30 September 2017. So all the required parts are, we're going to look at part one, which is 1.1, which is a complete the trading account and profit and loss account in the general ledger of Siyaboga Nkulu for the year ending on 30 July 2017. So we are only account. So we go to our answer section and see that we are given this problem also given trial balance of Siyaboga Nkulu on 10 July 2016 in terms of the debit column and the credit column. And we've got our balance sheet report and share information, which is the merchandise was valued at 82,500 after a physical stock taking on 30 July 2017. Although this amount is supposed to be adjusted in the trading account. So the trading account also the final figure that we get in the trading account, which is the gross profit or loss. We already calculated it in the previous video. So we are going to transfer that figure to the profit and loss account. So we can refer back to that and just transfer that figure to our current profit and loss account. So this is the trading account that we prepared according to the previous video. And the figure that we got as our gross profit is supposed to put it on the credit side of the profit and loss account. So if you come here, it means that this is the first figure that we are going to put in our profit and loss account. So if you our profit and loss account, remember, all the incomes come on the credit side. So that's where we're going to have our gross profit. So we are saying gross profit, and then our gross profit figure, according to the previous trading account that was prepared, wherever the account is coming from, the trading account. And all the dates we are going to put at the last date of the period, which is 2017, June 10, July 30. Remember, this is part of our financial statements, and they are prepared at the end of the year. So here, given the date set, you can just text. We're going to apply to every entry that we're going to make beginning. So having that now, we can now go and try to post the figures now that we have in the question. I will go to our trial balance and try to see in terms of the figures that we are supposed to post to the profit and loss account. So we're just going to look for expenses and income. Remember, the expenses should go to the debit side of the profit and loss account, and then the income should go to the credit side of the income, to the credit side of the profit and loss account. So basically, that's what we have. So we can just try to identify the expenses and the income that we have requested. So going down, you see that some of the costs that are there are already adjusted in trading account. So you want to skip it, like carried on purchases was adjusted in the trading account. We skip it. We go to now carried on sales. It's an expense which is supposed to be in the profit and loss account, 7,925. So we post it as an expense on the debit side. So we're saying carriage on sales. And the figure that we have for carried on sales, 7,925. And then we're going to check again in terms of the next item that we have, which is to be posted in the profit and loss account. We've got the rent received beneath that. So rent received is an income, and we've got 90,000. And it says to go to the credit side of the profit and loss as an income, 90,000 rent received. So we go there, we see rent 90,000. And then we go to the next one, which is going to be salaries. It's an expense, and the salaries will go to the debt side, which is 70,820. As an expense to the debt side. So we go after salaries. We have got import duties. Interest received is part of our income for 55,000. So interest received income. We are having 55,000. And then after that, we have got commission paid as an expense, 9,355, 9,355. As our commission paid, and then after that we try to see what we have after commission. We have put 500. So also go to the debt side. We're saying salary 100. Then after salary expenses, let's try to see. We also have entertainment costs, which is 8,000. So an expense again. Entertainment, a figure of 8,000, we've got 8,000 there. So we say discount received 35,000. Discount received also, it's the income goes to credit side. So let's say it's an income which is 10,000. Then lastly, we have got our taxes and levies, 940. It's an expense, goes to the debit side, 940. So having done that now, we can put our double lines whereby we want to balance our account. So if putting our double lines means we are going to compare in terms of the totals of the debit and credit, and then after that, we can now be able to put our balance figure, which is going to be our net profit or loss. Right. Having done that now, see that if you add the total of the debit and the credit, you are going to see that the credit is a greater total with a total of 321, 321,400. And then if you subtract the total of the credit, which is 321,400 minus everything that is on the debit or on the total of the debit, we are going to get a difference of 216,000, 216,860. And this figure is going to represent your net profit. So if the credit side is greater than the debit side, it results in a net profit. But if the debit side is greater than the credit side, it means it's a net loss, and we are supposed to see it here on the credit side as our balancing figure with the details part described as our net loss. So this is what we guys in the preparation of the profit and loss account. Let's subscribe and share. Let's share the link to our colleagues who are doing intro accounting L4. That's for this video. I'm signing out. Let's meet again in the next video.